guys, it's Miss Gross going over checkpoints. This checkpoint, identify equivalent linear expressions. So let's go over some of these problems. Which expression is equivalent to 3s plus 4? So on this particular one, you want to do the distributive property. You want to multiply what's on the outside of the parentheses, the 3, by everything on the inside of the parentheses. So 3 times s is 3s, and 3 times 4 is 12. So your answer would be 3s plus 12. And the reason why you stop there is because you cannot combine the s's with the whole numbers because they are not like terms. All right, let's move on to the next problem. What is equivalent to 8m plus 2m? So I have 8m and I have plus 2m. And I can combine those. Those are like terms. So I have 10m. So the answer there would be 10m. And then the next one, 2g plus 2g, simply 4g. The next one, okay, now we got to do the distributive property again. 3 times negative 7y. So negative 3 times negative 7y. Negative times a negative is a positive, so this is positive 21y. Plus negative 3 times 9 is negative 27. Now, I don't have 21y plus negative 27, but remember, plus a negative and subtracting are the same thing, so your answer would be 21y minus 27. The next one is distributive property again. 2 times a is 2a, plus 2 times 3 is 6. 2a plus 6 is right here. All right, let's jump up to a little bit harder level. All right, so now we're going to get problems like this where we have to do the distributive property and combine like terms. So we're going to do negative 3 times 4p, which is negative 12p. And then negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. But if you look, there's already a minus there. So if you have minus negative 21, that's the same thing as plus 21. Remember, whenever you're subtracting a negative, you're adding the opposite. So plus 21 minus 5p. Now we want to combine like terms. Negative 12p minus 5p. So we have negative 12p and negative 5p. So that would actually be negative 17p. And then negative 17p plus 21. That's how you get that one. All right. That one's another. I'm going to jump a level again. Get some of these harder problems. Okay, here's another harder problem. Do the distributive property first. 8 times 6d, which is 6 times 8 is 48. So this is 48d. Plus 8 times 2 is, that should go right there too, is 16. And then we've got the plus 4 at the very end. And we're going to combine like terms. Plus 16 plus 4 would be 20. So it'd be 48d plus 20. All right, let's do another hard one and then we'll be done. All right, so we're going to do the distributive property again here. Negative 6 times 5t would be negative 6. Got to do my math correctly. Negative 6 times 5t would be negative 30t. Negative 6 times 2 would be negative 12 or minus 12. Minus 9t. Now we're going to combine like terms. We have negative 30t and negative 9t. So negative, we've got two negatives. It's not negative times a negative. We're subtracting negative. So it's basically we have negative 30t and we have negative 9t. So all together we have negative 39t. And then it's minus 12. All righty. Oh, let's do this one because this one has the two distributive properties on here. So we want to see how we do that. So you're still going to do it the same way, distributive property. 5 times 6k is 30k. 5 times 2 is 10. Now we're going to do a plus because there's a plus here. 2 times 8k is 16k. And 2 times 7 is 14. And now we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to combine the 30k plus the 16K. That would be 46K. And then we're going to combine the plus 10 and plus 14, and that would be plus 24. So it'd be 46K plus 24. All right, I hope this video helps, and have a great rest of your day.